Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As I told you in the last video, I don't know if you're seeing me well, but let me try to use this small self ring light. Yeah, but I know it won't last for so long, so I told you that my next video it will be how to fix this. It's my first time, so I'm going to try to fix it with you, because I was like looking for some paper for like instruction how I should do it, but it is not there, so I have to use my brain. So this is the stand. I'm calling it a stand, and I think I'll just put it on this side, then I'll close it, not for it to I think this is how it has to be. Oh yeah, like this. So let me first try to put it here. I want to see, and I think I have to try to cross this one. Yeah, and I think this I have to put it here. Yeah. I don't know if I'm doing it in the right way, but I think yeah, that is it. But because it's I think that everyone is saying, so which one is the next? Just give me a minute, I'll just check on that. Oh my god, guys, I think, is this not next? Or this? I think this. No way. No way. What is the next? Did I do it in the wrong way? Guys, let me come back. I don't know which one is the next. Okay guys, I got it. Last time I did it in a wrong way, so this one it has to come here, so I'll put it, and this one has to come on top of this, like this. And this one I have to put it here. This is what I think, but I'm thinking it's also gonna be tricky. Okay, yeah, I had to remove this one to put this one, and oh my god, am I panicking? I don't know why it's making me this. Okay, and this one it has to be here. Oh my god, guys, I got it. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Oh no way. Okay, oh, I have to put this one, I think, so it shouldn't be moving. Yeah, like this. So I have to, okay, so I have to plug this wire into a charger so it could work. Let us try it. I have my charger right here. I use this one, so I'll plug it there, and then I'll put it on. Oh my god, why is it not working? Okay, so I got that. I got this one for increasing. Let me show it to you. Okay guys, that is how it is. Excuse me. So this one, it's I think for changing, if you want to change. Oh no, this one it's for increasing, and this one decreasing, and this one for changing. You see, when I press it, it changes. Let me try it from, I don't know if you're seeing that. Oh my god. Okay, let us go. So this one, it's for changing like that, and then I change. I don't know if this, yeah, it works. So I'm trying to you know, so let me add it on. Yeah. Hello guys, so this is how it has looked like. So I am trying it, and it's really very nice. I really like it, so try to go and grab one on Amazon. They are really very nice. I just loved it. So bye bye, until next time, until in next video. I don't know when, and I don't know when I'll be like recording, but very soon I'll record another one, so just be waiting. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like it and comment. And if you want to me to try something for you, you should put it down in the comments, so I'll get it and I'll try it. So bye bye.